old 74 F100 out for the cruise in since the Falcon is parked for now. So need to give her a good Comet wash. Get her shined up again. One of my favorites, Mercury Cougar.
Anybody? That's you, my friend. Okay.
302. Some slot mags.
TW Booze. He took TW Booze.
Clean car.
All right, this is going to be a $50 gift certificate. This is to be, you'll have to be a member of Rock and Roll Cruiser to be eligible for this. We're going to call out your number and we'll look up your name. Number 24. Number 24.
Now let me know what you think about the Cougar
Larry Jones.
compared to a
Larry,
Mustang.
you somewhere right here.
So Econoline
We got
truck.
1 hour heating and air and Benjamin Franklin Plumbing. Now that's the same guy on both of them. That's who Danny works for, Tom Collins. If you need your air conditioning worked on or you need your plumbing, call one of these guys, tell them you heard it from Rock and Roll Cruiser. Also, we got
Still
Boyd
running the
Ford,
6-cylinder in that
Boyd,
one.
He's drives the truck, hauls the loads. He just gives us money because he likes us. You know? Then we got Jerry's Awnings and Trim. They're up there in Hodges.
1970 GTX 446 pack. No. It's a pretty car though.
It's a pretty car.
I like it.
You want me to tell you something real quick?
Right now, your cut will be $100. Exactly. Buy some more tickets.
Put the air horns under the hood.
We got bid today?
And that's crazy. Convertible with air
All
conditioning.
right, I tell you what we do. We're making 125. Y'all buy some more tickets, we'll make it more than that. Buy some tickets. You raise your hand to come, or you can come over here to the trailer and buy something. About 10 minutes we'll do that.
Sweet ride. 1958 Apache. They done threw some lipstick on that one. Looks like a 4-wheel drive. Neat altitude to this one. Almost looks like an ice cream truck. He left his halos on. Hope he's got 2 batteries. Oh, Greta, you don't like that? Yeah, Douglas. Poor Greta. She's rolling over as we speak.